trades online just for fun, yeah. Future slowly know it's trending on the one, yeah. Comments blowing up from Chicago to New York. It's happening. What's happening? I feel my heart drop. Can't make it stop. Wi-Fi connected. We're taking over. Got everybody scalping. Ooh, ooh, don't I wanna scalping, baby? Honey, what's a guess of Kylie? Everybody scalping. Don't I wanna scalping? Boom, boom. My phone won't stop. Notifications crazy. People worldwide watching me trade from Miami streets to the LA beaches. We're going viral, baby. Don't try to stop me when we're all competing. Hashtag trending, future story streaming. Don't want no stopping, baby. I need to guess that's Kylie. Everybody scalping. Don't want no scalping. Whoa, whoa. Long trade, short trade. This ain't no pump and dump. Tag all of your friends. Let's take it worldwide. Future sport connects us all. Breaking down the falls. Generated profit. So when you know you were my face. We don't need no ICT, no FVG. Calling on the scalping, baby. I think that's a case of Kylie. Everybody scalping. Calling on the scalp. Calling on the scalping, baby. I think that's a case of Kylie. Everybody scalping. Calling on the scalping. Just start, let's go.
This live stream is for entertainment information purposes only. Do not copy our trades. We're just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream. We trade off screen. We trade after the stream, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We're not licensed professionals. We're not providing any investment advice. We do not make any claims of profitability. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we're not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Also, please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Please read and understand the rest of CFTC Rule 4.41, and let's get to the charts. Okay, good morning, everybody. It is Thursday. It's the day before non-farm payrolls. Hey, James. Welcome, James. Day before non-farm payrolls. Let me just do my mic check, because Windows likes to play with my sound a lot. Oh, it looks really loud. You're going to get a little bit of an echo there for a bit. Okay, that's all good. I want to shut it down. How do I do that? I'll be with you in 2 seconds. James, did you take any trades this morning yet? No, James. No, you didn't. James! I know. Sorry. I wasn't thinking. I know where you are. Oh, okay. Perfect. Welcome. Let's start with the 15-minute chart. I do want to see what we've done in relation to the London session. If you guys remember yesterday, I was screaming out multiple times, 570, 570, 570, 570. I even drew in a really big, thick green line. And we hit it at 1 o'clock. That's based on the fact that we tagged both sides of the Asian session, and when we tag two sides, there is a very high probability we're going to go back to the first side that we tagged. We also bounced off this level here, which is a pretty solid level. That's why it's got a thicker line. The one thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put my blue line at the midnight open. Finally, it's not sticking on the previous day's close. It's been there for 2 days. I didn't get to see the two lines. I don't know. I wouldn't call it. So I'm looking if we tagged both sides of the Asian session here on the 15-minute. I wouldn't call that trading beyond the upper point of the Asian session. So no, we've only traded below the Asian session. So for me, that's bearish. Anything can happen. This could be the low of the day right here, but it just means that it gives me a bearish bias. We're also under VWAP by about 120 points. Well, we got a long way to go for the gap fill if we're going to do that. Might be that we keep consolidating or keep selling off. Tariffs on. I think the tariffs are on, but maybe a little bit lower than expected. Yeah, we're below the previous day's close. We're not below the previous day's low, though. We got that just a little bit below this solid level over here. So let's see again if 20,265 holds. Just to let you guys know where that's coming from. I don't think we can see it on the 30-minute chart. We need to go to the dailies to see that. And it's over here. We bounced off 20,260 once and traded higher by 800 points. We came back into the level in October. We traded higher. And then we touched it again in November, and we just really rocketed it up by 1,300 points. And we only managed to wick below it twice so far. We don't have a close below it yet. These aren't Heikin-Ashi candles. So that level is still in play. It's also approximately where the 10%, this blue line here marks 10%. So that would be a 10% fall. The average range on the daily candles right now is 524. The 4-hour chart, very interesting. Yeah, I don't have a 4-hour chart. I have to type in minutes. I am curious to see what the volatility is. It's 13 points pre-market. That's very high. Pre-market. A pre-market number for volatility on an average day is probably 6 points, so we're double the volatility. You know what else I want to see? I want to see the volume. 500,000. So if you guys remember, I look at the volume every day. I don't know, sometimes at 9:20, sometimes at 9:40. It's not a specific time, but when I'm calling out numbers like 200,000, that's a low volume day. When I'm calling out numbers like 400,000, maybe at 9:45, that's an average volume day. This is pre-market 500,000, so there's more volume than normal in the markets right now. Heavier volume. Just take a quick look what happened with gold, or what's happening with gold. I'm just going to look at the daily charts. I color them in gray, just to make sure that I don't make mistakes, make trading decisions thinking this is NQ. Gold down $10, and crude is up, looks like, from the close, up 40 cents, but crude is below all three moving averages. That's the 50, the 100, and the 200. Gold obviously is above. It's been rocketing since forever. NQ, believe it or not, is below the three moving averages also, and the 50 might be crossing the 100 very soon, in a couple of days. By next Wednesday, I think we can see a cross of the 50 and the 100. So let's get back to the 1 minute chart. Let's load up my strategies. Get them going. Opening drive trader. Sim 101. Nope, I still didn't fix Nifty 50. So I can't run Nifty 50, and I'm going to be running Counter-Strike on Sim. So let me put up the Sim account on Bulenox. I didn't trade my topstep accounts yet today. And hopefully I'll be able to do more of the same of what I did yesterday. That's the goal. What did I do yesterday? Just to summarize, I really only took setups. I didn't chase. It was pretty much a perfect day for me, I think. May have screwed up one time. And by screwing up means after I add once, I may have let my stop get moved lower or higher, whatever, if I was long or short. But in general, it was a pretty good day of trading, and I hope to replicate that today. I think I have a new mentality. No adding, no chasing, no FOMO. Remember, no adding doesn't mean no adding. It means no adding more than once. Because I do allow myself to add when I get 7 points in drawdown. My stop is usually about 14 points or a little bit less if I get a good entry. And that's the thing also, I was fighting for price yesterday. So let's take one last quick look at the charts. Let's get to the 3-chart view and see what NQ has done in relation to the ES. And wow, I mean, with this slope over here, I can draw on a trend line. I think F2 is the trend line. Yeah. Okay, let me adjust it. They're pretty much the same, the two of them. So if I'm looking at the low, that happened a little bit after 8 o'clock here. This is a higher low. We made a higher low over here. The only thing that I really notice is that when we broke this swing low and NQ, we traded quite a bit lower compared to ES. ES didn't go down as far below that low, so I would have to say, and also by looking at the slope, I would think that I would say NQ is relatively weaker. Let me take a look at something else here. Oh no, that's not where I wanted to go. Okay, so I only have one chart up on, it's not even my favorite chart for Bulenox. So I'm really not going to be taking too many trades off that chart. I will be taking trades off my top step chart, which you guys don't see, but I'll let you know how it's going. If necessary, I could load it on my screen here, but I don't think it's necessary. I don't make any big moves in my top step. I'm going slow this time. No more mistakes, no more screwing up. I also realized I gotta sign up for a music channel, because you know what, making 30 or 40 tracks just to have my own unique music, it's a lot of work. So these are my own creations. But I gotta sign up for a music service. There's a couple of them. That way I just create a playlist and away we go. So right now everything is looking bearish. I guess we're gonna, the obvious magnet for price right now is the London lows. I would guess at 20,300. Markets are going to open in 3 minutes. I'm not going to take any trades pre-market. I used to like to do that, but I always called it my candy. How's my mic? Mic's still working well. Last sound check. Mic's working well. I like it. Excellent. Maybe the days of the audio problems are over. Okay, I got to figure out which account I'm going to trade today. Where do I want to start? Do I want to start with my MFFU account? Oh, I have a loss. Let me change the reel. I have a loss of $89 in one of my... That's from last night's trading. I forgot about that. I guess my sleeping pills are really working well. But I got to trade my PAs also. Hey, Sparky. Sparky, my cat wants cookies. Which ones do I trade? And I wanted to start using my trade copier, but not in elevated volatility. The trade copier makes me enough misery. So I'm not going to be using my trade copier. Maybe I'll try and use it today at 10:30, 11 if the volatility quiets down. I should also log in at power hour like 2 to 4 because there's been some pretty amazing moves between 2 and 4. Excellent opportunities to make money. I guess I'll start off slow. I'm going to start off with slow. Well, you can't start off slower than that, eh? Decisions. Oh my God, I don't even have my MFFU. And the market's opening in a minute. Maybe I'm going to start off with MFFU. Let me load that account. Where's that one at? Oy, that one's down. Oy. Oy, that's an official word, by the way. Oy. No, I'm not going to start off with that one. I tell you what I'm going to start off with. I am going to start off with a 150K Apex account. Okay, we're open in 20 seconds. 150K, I can do... Conservative is 4 lots, aggressive is 8 lots. I'm going to go conservative for the opening. I will not be trading topstep X until maybe 10 o'clock. Really wasn't much movement. Target filled. Wow, look at that. That was very fast for Counter-Strike. Oh, you know what? I'm going to try custom. Why custom? Cancel. Where's my Renko? There it is. They were right at that support there at 20,260. That's acted as support. Very strong. I got a trailing stop loss on this last one, this last piece. Let's get the... Okay, crappy $40. Nothing big, but let's... You know what? I can get back in this long trade. I shouldn't have been stop filled. Let's see if I can get back in. I can get back in at 79 bid. There it is, 79 bid. And my stop will be closer, so I have my finger on the close button, just in case. Okay, let's rock it up, guys. Stop filled. Now it's short. I said I'd fight for price. I'm not selling on that support line. I'm sorry. I'll let it go. Counter strike is short. Target filled. That's 2 for 2 for counter strike. Oh, look what else is opening drive is short. That's my automated system. Yesterday was up 75 points and I didn't take a partial. That was pretty stupid. I think 75 points is a really good place. I'm going to go back. Give me a half a second. I just want to confirm that. Opening drive went short at, I don't know if it was here or here. 364. No, that's 50 points. I think it went short over here at 397. I don't remember. I'm going to have to look. Anyways, it gets up 75 points. If it gets, we get down to target filled. It's another counter strike. 3 for 3. 20,210, which is only 30 points away. Oh man, I'm missing a good dump. I will add. Sorry, if it gets down to 20,200, I will take 5 off. Okay, let me try and get in on some of the short action. Now that we're below that support line. Starting off slow at 940. Maybe I'll try and get a little bit more aggressive. For now, I'm just dipping my toes in the water. I trade the 6 o'clock open also for the first minute or two. Looks like it's trying. But the platforms always hang. If you guys are familiar with Ninja, you get that yellow order, yellow limit order, which means that it didn't hit the server. It's just on Ninja. It's just on your local platform. And you don't know, are you filled, are you not filled? Okay, I've seen this pattern before. I'm not taking the next short because I've seen this pattern before and it's cost me. If I can get a much better price, this is a much better price. No, so much for much better price. I called that one. Gotten above that support level again, eh? Interesting. Sorry, cough. Should have taken my puffer. Yeah, still watching the opening drive play. It's in red now. That's target filled. That was counter strike. I lost count already. I'm short. Let me switch to my chart. We'll get back to the opening drive later. Check in on it again. Right now it's up 20 points. And I want to put some money in the bank here. Not a lot, but like I said, we're at that orange line, that orange support line. 20,260. Probably not the best place to be going short. This is the third time already we're tapping into it on the Renkos. Let me put up the Renkos for you guys, see if it shows up the same way it does on mine. No, on mine I have 3 perfect levels right there to bounce. Gonna watch it, see if we get through it. Well, if the sellers want to sell, they got inventory to unload. We're going to get through this. It's not going to be support anymore. This is it. The moment of truth. They push it. Looks like they want to. Yeah, that's it. Where we're going. Opening drive is not down 70 points. It's only down 50 at this point. Only 50, huh? I mean up. It's up only 50. Markets are down. Well, we poked through, but we came right back up. Is this a retest of this level before we head lower? I'm not trading that because I always lose when I make decisions based on lines and support levels.
Escucho el llamado del tiempo en cada nota que tiento. Mi sangre baila por dentro al ritmo del instrumento.
Okay, well, we just took a loss in Counter-Strike. And opening drive looks like it might get stopped at. It got up as much as 50 points, but we're not going to jump to any conclusions. And I'm going to try a long if I get a setup. Definitely 2 lots are done. Now we'll go up to 4 lots. The reason being is that this is a 150K account. Minimum 4 lots with the 150K account. I'm going to get in a little bit earlier. Don't come down on me that quickly. Get another pop up. Shit, look at that, eh? Proving very hard to get out of this. I had to lighten up. Don't like what I saw there. It was very difficult to get in and out. Kept getting knocked down. I guess maybe because it's US session highs. That was concerning. Well, I'll try again. Set my size to a 4 lot. Waiting for a long trade. You know what I've been doing? I'm going to take a 1 lot here and try and hold this for a decent sized move. It's kind of going against the opening drive, but and then I'll go 4 if we get a long entry. There we go. I'm going to take these out quickly, though. At least a piece of these out quickly. Let's say a 2 lot. There we go. That's enough for a 2 lot. That's enough for another 2 lot. I do want to hold 1 for a longer term move. I'm watching the moving average bands. Yeah, I created a video on the moving average bands. A short, I think, actually. This extra one should be out. The last one is in. It's just a longer term. A longer term hold. That's something I can do in the MFFU account, I think, because, you know what, MFFU doesn't like 15-second trades. But I might have to get out of this. Oh my God, that's a dump. That's a dump below the 2 second. That looks some pretty serious dumpy action. Oh, did they just FOMO me?
Solo con mi soledad, en este salón vacío. Bailo solo, no necesito más, entre recuerdos perdidos. The chairs against the wall, they watched us dance before.
Well, I have to get out a bit. Hopefully it goes back down again. This 260 level is strong. And that cost me. Well, it is a 150k eval, so I will try again to the short side. I'm going to play this account aggressively, but I am going to respect my stops. I can add here because I'm down 7 points, and they got me again. Oh, wait, they're trying to go short. Let's go, let's go. Dump it, dump it, dump it, dump it, dump it. Don't barcode here on the Renkos. Show me some weakness. Bring the sellers back in for another 10 points. Let's take a piece off if I can. That's where my other 8 is. Okay, I'll cover another half over here. I'm not recovering my loss, but now I'll let it. I'll let this one go. Maybe I can get 15 points from here. 72 and 15. So that's 10, 62, 57. I'm good with that. Opening drive is still short 10. It hung in there. Counter strike is short. Target filled.
Tonight I'm here alone in this empty space. Just the wood and
I hope I'm working. Yes, I am working my audio properly. I close it down when I cough. I'm so curious. Breaking above again. Level has proven hard to trade.
The chairs against the wall, they watched us dance before. Now they're witnesses. So what I'm looking for, me libertad.
Counter strike is short. Ooh, this is not a trade I'm happy. That was not a trade I was happy to take short. But we're watching open and drive. It's up 20 points. It's hanging in there. I think I'm going to take a little bit of a break.
bottles on empty tables, forgotten jackets, forgot fatal. Tus pies se mueven al compás del tiempo que no volverá, del tiempo que no volverá. The DJ booth is dark and still, but in my mind I feel the thrill like it is not just they galore and everyone share the floor. Now I'm writing my own story, solo pero sin memoria of what they think.
Everything still looks bearish. And again, it is the day before NFP, non-farm payroll, so often that's a seek and destroy day.
Bailo solo con mi soledad, en este salón vacío. Bailo solo, no necesito más de recuerdos perdidos. La música regresa.
Well, we've gotten back back above the 260 level. So I'm inclined to go long here if I get a trade triggering in. I got my finger on the buy bid button. We'll see how low we go. Oof. Like I said, I use MA bands and we just got so close to below the bands. I'm not even sure if we are below the bands. I'd have to expand the chart. Yeah, we did. And I'll take a small little, very careful trade here. My finger's on the close button also. I don't want to mess around with that too much. Let's take a quick look at what Crude's doing. Wow, Crude had a couple of trades here. Okay, so while I wait for maybe price to break away from that 260 level, we'll look at Crude. The first entry on Crude was over here when we broke the low of this candle. My fib line isn't exactly perfect there. Oh, no. Let's get it there and move away. So when we break the low of that candle, it's marked off in black. I coded it to mark off the candles in black. It's an inside bar. The stop is the high of the previous candle when we go short, and the target is 1-to-1. So in this case, we hit the 1-to-1. After we hit the 1-to-1, next candle. This is on the 5-minute chart. Let me hit delete. Remove is enough. Remove. We got another entry right over here. At fate. Stop because we're going long. The stop is the low of the previous candle right there, and we have to get all the way up to 66.98. So we'll watch this trade also. And it looks like opening drive is going to very potentially have a losing day today again. This candle closes in 17 seconds. We just poked through US session highs. Often we do that by 5-10 points, and then it rotates lower. I've seen that 1,000 times. I've seen that in the playbook 1,000 million times. And that's it. Opening drive is done. We don't need to visit this this chart anymore. I'm tempted to go long here. If I get a long entry, it's going to be right at the US session highs. We're back into the London session London session range.
up, make the floor say. Get over that, don't need to explain. Start riding, baby.
I'd say we've moved away from the U.S. session highs enough for me to be comfortable taking a trade, but that wick, I'm not crazy about that wick. 36 points average range on the 1 minute candles. I'm going to take a break for 2 minutes.
No translation needed now. Let it fall, figure out how. Hey, fuck it up, fuck it up.
Baila conmigo.
Go, 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 go. Chop my meat sure. First dance fever got me shook. Body talking, that's the hook. No translation needed now. Let it fall, figure out how. First dance fever got me shook. Body talking, that's the hook. No translation needed now. Let it fall, figure out how.
Okay, I'm back. That was a funny noise. James G, I didn't see your message. Where are my headphones? Let's get those up. Chop chop, yes. Day before non-farm payrolls. Chop chop. Let's get the camera back up. Well, I'm looking here and I missed the losing trade. Isn't that's always what you want to see when you take a break? Nothing like missing a losing trade. Going back now to the 260 level. I'm just going to take a 2-lot. My stop's a little far. Oh boy, I'm going against Counter-Strike here. Not crazy about that. Counter-Strike is long. I'm getting out. I don't want to go against Counter-Strike. Counter-Strike has losing trades, but I should turn Counter-Strike off. It's a little bit of a distraction since it's running on sim anyways. I'm going to turn it off. Target failed. Counter-Strike was right. Good thing I got out. Let's get into 2, not because Counter-Strike was right, but because we're over the bands. I tried to add there. That's enough. One ad is enough. That's what I allow myself with the finger on the close. Looks like it's going to stop me out. I don't know. Let me... I have to lighten up. I want to let it go a little bit more, but I got to lighten up. I'm half squeezing my close button. Ah, Linda Bin got me again. I'll take that little piece because that was a breakout trade, and I don't really like breakout trades too much. Not a big fan of breakout trades. I'm more of a pullback continuation kind of a guy. I missed the entry on that. Just the one lot, because we're at that 260 level again. I don't know, I'm thinking even for, I should just take the small loss here. I keep waiting to see if we break it, and every time we rock it off this level, it's being bought up. We can see it's being bought up. Yeah, I'm going to get out. Live to fight for another trade. So you guys think everybody is loading up their accounts for tomorrow's NFP so they can full port? Well, we're above the line, and I'll take a 2-lot. I do have a short trade that triggered. Fuck it. $10 o'clock in 1 minute. Not a fan of being in the market at 10 o'clock. Nope, that trade didn't work out. Thank God it was only for a 2-lot. Okay, let's sit on my hands again a little bit more. Gonna wait for 10 o'clock to pass. Good coffee. I mean, if I'm looking at the market with squinted eyes, I am kind of seeing this trend line here. Is it 10? It's 10 seconds after 10. Let me take a 2-lot here with this confluence and then regret it. It's only a 2-lot. I won't let it go down much lower. Really? Okay. Okay, I'm kind of bullish right now. No, you know what? That was an impulsive entry. Now I gotta hope, which is not a strategy. Let's get my lucky coffee cup. Hopefully we can see him move back up. Looks like it's coming there. Let's get the music going louder. Come on, let's get an entry. There's the entry. I need 7 points higher from here. Let it go to 21. 21. I'm not asking for a lot. 21 on the offer. 7 on the offer. 9 on the offer. 11, 12 on the offer. I'm just going to lighten up my position over here. 13 on the offer. 14 on the offer. I'll let it go to 21. 21. Not a lot to ask. 21, 17, 19. I'm going to take it a little bit early. Not bad. Missed the long entry. What can you do? No chasing. Not too many people in the room. Let me enjoy. I like this song. While I wait for another, I'll lower it later. Wow, look, this is the run. I missed it. I missed it. I missed it. Okay, thank you. That was to calm my nerves. It's not a salsa class. I have to say that now the NQ looks a little bit stronger. They're both kind of coming up to the VWAP. This chocolate line here is a little bit this chocolate line is is another support level probably. Yeah, it was a support. I was putting in support levels. So I'm not going to use it as resistance. Just watching to see if we're going to get above VWAP now. Still, I'm going to just take it easy. Now I'm going to get a long, and where's this long going to be? The long is going to be just under VWAP. Boy, I'm just getting these terrible locations for entry, eh? I'm not motivated to take them. There you go. There's a long end. And it got stopped out. So I'm glad I didn't take it. Like I said, if I have a reason not to take a trade, I think that's usually a good reason to not take a trade and wait for those reasons to disappear. Right now, the VWAP, I'm getting long entries, but it's right on VWAP. Here, I'll try and show you what it is that I'm looking at. Give me a second. I got to just put VWAP on the chart. I'm really surprised that VWAP isn't on this chart, but let me just put it up. And I'm using the Renko charts for a lot of my entries. When I see a pullback and we're above the bands will be based on the highs and lows. See, this one is on the 30 on the high, and then the other one is 30 on the low. As I said, I made a vid about that. But I'm getting long entries, but I got the VWAP acting as potential resistance, and I don't want to take that. I've gotten hurt on that too many times. If you look, this trade didn't continue. This trade had no continuation. This one's having continuation, but I've also seen it go through VWAP and then just reverse immediately as well. So another trick that I'm going to be creating a video on is I like to see 2 consecutive closes on the 1 minute chart above VWAP to confirm. So if we can get 2 consecutive closes above the VWAP, I'll be more inclined to believe that we're potentially in a little bit of a rally here. I think I'm going to reapply, not I think I am going to reapply Counter-Strike. Is trading on Sim. So far it's up a big $10, but it's only trading 1 micro. I just have it set to give me the signals. And it is trading on a Sim account.
3, 2, 1.
I got a connection loss. That's not good. I don't know who. What I'm going to do, I'm going to use my Renko thing. It trades 2 lots. And I'm going to fight for a better price. So, looks like we're going to get triggered into a long trade. No, came back down. Counter-Strike is long, so order canceled. Counter-Strike just got stopped out. Since Counter-Strike got stopped out, I'm going to get out of that trade. And now I'll watch the Renkos. Okay, the Renkos turned blue. Let's see if we can get follow through. No, you see, no follow through again. It's a good thing I took my stop. But now we are right on VWAP and just a little bit above the band. So this is a good location to take a trade. I'm going to get rid of the Renko ATM and take a little bit larger size. Right on VWAP. It's hard to guess, but I shouldn't be guessing what to do. I should be reacting. Not predicting, so I'll be a reactionary trader. When there's an up bar, and there it is, I'll get in. And no follow through. But there's another up bar. And no follow through. And another up bar. With a little bit more follow through. Counter-Strike is long. Way to go, Counter-Strike. Good. Let me hear target filled. Come on, target filled. Oh, you're going the wrong way. Raise the volume. It looks like it's going to get stopped out, but if it gets a bullish bar, I'm going to add and gamble that it's going to... there we go. Go more. Let's go. Did you hear that? Target filled. Way to go, Counter-Strike. Put me in the green again. That was fun. And I'm going to come down to a 2-lot because my Renkos are long. So I'm going to let my Renkos run. Renko run. It's going to be a Renko run. I want to get 7 more points from here. So 19, that's 26 on the offer. Wow, we came down. It got me out, took me out. I'll go out for a $20 loss. Okay. If we go to the Renkos, you can see the chop here. No continuation, no continuation, no continuation, no continuation. Not a good Renko sequence. But I recovered. The hold for a long time. Well, the swing trade's what I call is long since 10:01 at 3:13. If I would have been able to hang on to that. The other thing I want to check is I'm looking at if opening drive loses, if you take the next trade. So we would have gone long at 325 with opening drive. I'm running it now. But the other days in the week that didn't pan out. The second trade lost also. I'm really trading conservatively here. It's crazy. 150 account. I'm trading 2 micros. And stopped out. Counter-Strike took a loss also. Well, why is it probably happening? Is because we're bouncing up into US session highs each time. So the sellers are coming in and we're also bouncing up into that line there, that little chocolate line, kind of orange-reddish. That's not a line I'm using, but the gap fill is an interesting thought also. Are we going to fill the gap and we go, or maybe even go red to green? That involves us getting up to 20,600 if that's on the table. That's in the cards. Target failed. Am I getting in late? Entry was 12. I'm in at 1650. That's really not good. So let me lighten up on this with what little I got. Let's see if we can push through. It's 4 times we haven't been able to get through that level. 3 on my Renko charts if you look over here. Once, twice, 3 times. On the other chart that I'm following, it's 4 times. Can we get through it now? This will be the 4th attempt. 4 times the charm. There we go. Oh, wonderful. Wonderful. Comes right back down. I didn't get to pull anything out of that. Trading for pennies today, but it's okay. Better to be careful.
paso las horas cantando, monedas van resonando, la gente me mira extraño, mi violín va llamando. Mezclo lo viejo y presente, mi música diferente, pero mi corazón sabe que este momento es grande. ¿Quién baila conmigo en la plaza? ¿Quién siente el ritmo en casa? Mis cuerdas antiguas con salsa. ¿Quién baila conmigo? Ah, ¿quién baila?
Target filled. Gonna go counter strike. Over here. You guys still hear me? Let me raise the volume. I don't like it in my face. This is gonna have to be good enough. Let me do a sound check. We're redlining, so it seems good, but I'm a little farther away. Sound check. Whoa, it's loud. Whoa, it's loud. Let me just check one more time. This is it's still redlining there, but this seems to be good. Maybe I'll need compression. No, this is no good. Oh, I know why it's doing it. Because it's picking it up off the echo. Okay, let me do this as one more sound check. Ah, that's perfect. Very good. I don't have to have the mic in my face. I'm happy. I'm happy you're happy. Or you're happy, I'm happy. I don't know how that works. Well, let's get up to 55. Counter strike is long. Let's go counter strike, make me proud. Let's go counter strike, make me proud. I gotta get out, I have too much. Really? That's the best thing, target filled. That's the best I was able to do out of that. With all that size, I took my chance. I need to make a little bit of headway. I feel like I'm wasting my time here. But actually, it was only a 6 slot, but then I added way too many times. It's running higher. Counter strike is long again. Let me get in at the counter strike price. And let's see if counter strike can take another winner. Back-to-back winners for counter strike.
Target filled.
Target filled. You heard it. Back-to-back winners for counter strike. Today my trading is not that good. Today my trading is a little bit reckless, I have to say. I'm slow on the switch, making decisions late. Take a quick look at the volatility on the 1 minute chart. 26 points. That's excellent. It's almost a sweet spot, actually. 15-minute chart looks like we might be reaching to close that gap. Daily looks bearish. Let me just take a 2 lot on this. 82, that's 75. There's 73, I'll add a little bit. And of course it turns red. Finger on the close button. Let me get out of the little piece. If we run, it's better, but if we don't run, at least I didn't have too much in on this, because I gotta be honest, this is an impulsive trade again. Finger on the close button. Boom. I got 4 more points from here. Okay, close. Whatever it is, it is. I'm up. I'm good. I'm happy.
Manos temblando, backstage waiting, hearts racing faster, no hesitating. Primera vez en el barrio, mi momento necesario. Deep breaths, tell myself you got this, 10 años de práctica. Now the streets are back, ya. Mi familia in the photo, rezando por su hijo, yo. The speakers bumping loud, mi ritmo spreading through the crowd. From corners to the rooftops, la música won't ever stop.
Okay, I like what I just saw here. I'm hoping that we got a little bit of a dump. So if I get a long trade triggering in, I'll take it for a 5 lot. $10 a point. I'm staying here even though my house is burning down.
Just beginning.
That,
Writing verses late at night. Mama saying bye volumen. Now she's far away, so bright. Boulevard, we're moving.
well, I'm happy to improve my average price. Now I want to see it get up to 54. If it gets up to 54, I'll be really happy. No, they're pushing it lower. I don't have a lot of room left here on this. No, I don't have any room left on this. Gotta get out. We're going back down to VWAP. I'm gonna try something. Why? Okay, I'll try it for a 2-lot. No, it's because there was a big move down. If I get a signal up, I want to take it. I want to see how far it's going to run. It'll be a 14-point stop. There we go. 14-point stop. I want to see how far these Renkos run. I want to see if this gets a huge run back up. I've seen this pattern before. Come on the stream. You can watch. You're not doing anything. No, I'm not. I've seen this pattern before. On days like this, they push it down hard, then they bring it right back up. 14-point stop. Or the first bearish bar to form, which is right there. It formed them out. They didn't run it back up, but they gave it a good run. Long at 40, I'm long at about 37. Let's get up to 47. At 47, I'll take a piece off. That's 46, it's good enough. At 54, I'll take another piece off, another 7 points. Hopefully we can run. Oh. Initial balance. There we go. There's the 54 offer. 50, I missed it because I had to close my alert. I'll take 52. It's good enough. Should have waited. Could have gotten 57. 64. That's another piece. I don't know. That was a lot of points. I don't know how many. One of you guys can calculate it, but I got a lot of points. See? Taking better setups. Waiting for my next scalp. It's not going to be my favorite one because we've only came off by a few points. I like to see it come down a little bit more than that.
Tonight I'm here alone in this empty space. Just the wooden floor and memories of grace.
Let's go. Let's get up to 68.
No one else to see, just me.
Bailo solo, solo, solo. Con el silencio.
Let's get up to 68.
Dancing alone, with silence by my side.
68.
Bailo solo con mi soledad en este salón vacío. Bailo solo.
Counter-Strike looks like it wants to go long, but it's going down. It's going the wrong way.
The chairs against the wall.
No, I'm just turning my account.
Now they're witnesses. So what I'm looking for, mi libertad in this
You know what I think? I think today less is more.
Baila solo, solo, solo. Aunque silencio orillado.
Listen on, with silence at my side. Bailo solo con mi soledad, y
Yeah, it was not a fun trade.
Empty bottles on empty tables, forgotten jackets, forgotten fatal, despierte se mueven al compás del tiempo que no volverá, del tiempo que no volverá.
So now we're looking for shorts, but we got the VWAP up underneath us. Let's take a look. The Renko's made it under the band. NQ and ES kind of look the same. Counter-Strike just went long. Let me join Counter-Strike.
Target filled.
That was good. I got to eat into my loss a little bit. Thank you, Counter-Strike. You know what? Not getting really good moves on the continuation of the Counter-Strike. I think I'm going to have to...
Tonight I'm here alone in this empty space. Just the wooden
There we go.
floor and memories of
I was waiting for the Counter-Strike stop to come in a little bit better.
no one else to see, just me.
A little tighter. Let's go, Counter-Strike. I need another 8 points from here. Around 24 bid. Next stop is around 46. Wrong way. Let's go. Looks like it wants to go lower. Take me out. That's a 24 bid. There was 26, 27, 26, 25. No, I want a 24 bid. Okay, I'm going to take what you're giving me.
The chairs against the wall, they watched us dance before. Now they're witnesses. So what I'm looking for,
Yes, I kind of agree with that. VWAP sucks. Yeah, for me all levels suck. Using them to make trading decisions is always painful for me. That's Trump. He wants to know if he should proceed with the tariffs. You know what? Let him wait. Oh, no. Come on, Mikey. Get in. Here we go. Counter-Strike is long.
Empty bottles on empty tables, forgotten jackets, forgotten fatal, despierte se mueven al compás del tiempo que no
Let's go, Counter-Strike. Give me a winner.
del tiempo que no volverá. The DJ booth is dark and still, but in my mind I feel the thrill like it is not just they galore when everyone share the floor. Now I'm writing my own story, solo pero sin memoria.
We're above VWAP, so I like where we are. I'm going to trade it a little aggressively. Every time it makes kind of like a move up, I'm going to add. But not on the down way, on the downside. There we go, that's your move up. There you go, target filled, I like it. Take me out for the 2 pieces. Let's go. Anyways, gave me a little bit of One more push up. We are above VWAP, guys. It's trying. It's so trying. It really looks like it wants to go up. That's the move up. Don't go against me on the second piece again. Really? No kidding. Once again, making my stand here. I want to see it go to 57 and I'll add. 57 and I'll add. Close. Hey, you know what? I'm not going to add. Actually, I'm going to release a little bit. Thank you, Counter-Strike. Wow, good for you. Okay, not only are we breaking US session highs, we're also breaking through the initial balance high. So I'm going to watch for the break and retest trade. But before I do a retest, I want to see some space between the 1 minute candles and the initial balance high, which is the dashed line. I'm going to put on the 3 chart view because I really do want to watch and see if we're making a run for the previous day's close. We're going to go red to green. Nice run here. A little bit of a short squeeze, maybe. A little short squeeze, a baby short squeeze. It's quiet though. Let me raise it. While I wait for the retest, you know what? I'm going to put in my order for a 2 lot. There, I'm in. Let me front run it a little bit. There we go. But I'm not in the mood for loud music, even if it's going to stimulate. I got coffee for my stimulant. My wife says drink water. I tell her there's water and coffee. There we go. There's the, look at that. Never works out for me. It's a good thing I didn't put a 5 lot. But, I am going to get a long trade triggering very soon. So there we go. I'll add my position here. Lighten up a little bit, and look at that. It ends up working out for me. Now I'm going to let this run. Let's see if we can get back to the highs. Target filled. That was Counter-Strike. I didn't even notice it entered the trade. Can we get another 14 points? 96. Can we get to 510 before it takes me out? $82 is about where I'll be getting out on this last piece. And it's so close. So close. And you know what? We're at initial balance high. I'm going to maybe give it a little bit more room. No, it's trying. It's trying. It's trying to hold. There's a little bit of a battle here at the IB high. I'll give up 173. I think now what's going to happen is I'm going to try and set up for the long that's going to form. I shouldn't even have gotten out. So if I'm getting in, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to use the Renko. The Renko ATM, Automatic Trade Manager. Because I think if we run nice. Let's do this. This is a good place to set it. Come on, 7 points, not too much to ask. Push up. There we go. Now we let the rest run. Tiddling. You hear what I hear? Let it go one more time. Come on. Push. Push. No, it's far away. If it gets close again, I'll do it. Oh, you know what? It could be fast also. I keep it there. You still hear me. Well, far away. There we go. It's one more. Good enough for me.
Let the music show the way. Moving faster, Spanish streets, strings and drums make it complete. Past to present, watch me spin, where my journey will begin. Cuerdas cantan melodías, taking me to otros días. Feel the rhythm in my blood, moving like a rising flood. Bailando through the centuries, connecting souls set them free. Bailando, bailando movido, ancient riddles make me whole. Moving through space and time, bailando contigo. Mi pasado calls to me through the sounds of history, string by string and beat by beat, making past and present meet. By the same, but I'll let the music take you far. Feel the strings begin to play as the centuries fade away. Oye, escucha el sonido. Listen to the strings unfold.
Okay, it's 10:47. Let's go trade my other Apex account. I'm going to leave that one up 200. It's not really anything spectacular, but it's good enough. So the 5 minute, let me put up the 5. Oh, we have the 5 minute. The 5 minute closed, had 2 consecutive closes above initial balance, and we're trading back into it, which makes me think we're going to have a bit of a rally. I know that sounds a little counterintuitive, but Oh, that's not supposed to be here. Nope, that one didn't work out. Add a signal on the Rankos. I gotta tell you, I'm bullish here though. I think this is just a little short-term. Maybe we're gonna come back and touch this 2035 level. I don't think this is a good trade for me to be in. I have red also. It's just down below. I'm gonna have to get out of this trade. Oh, I thought because you broke your keyboard. I have 225 up here, and then down here I have red. I don't know if even... Oh, you know what? I can bring it up to the top. Like this. Sim is the opening drive, which runs on automation. It's an automatic strategy. It's red, and then another Apex is down 335. This is a 300K account. Yeah, I heard you got a payout. Congratulations. Good job, good job. Wow, you see, I formed a bias and I thought that we were going to get back above initial balance high. Doesn't matter whether I was going to be right or not. It screwed up my trading there for a bit. Got me off track, got me taking trades to the upside when maybe I shouldn't have. Both ways, yeah. Yeah, I got chopped a lot too. That's why I stopped on this Apex here, 225. I was going up 200, down 200, up 200, down 200. This is a decent sell. I'll take it. It's a very short, very small stop. I have my finger on the close button. 1. And my finger on the add button. There we go. I can add to this. Let's get some movement. Take a piece off. No. I want to see Counter-Strike go short. Counter-Strike go short. I'll add again. Don't run back all the way to the top and turn this into... okay, Counter-Strike looks like it wants to try and go short. We need to go down about... There we go. Counter-Strike is short. Let's go. Target filled. Come on. No, not that way. Push it lower. Oof. I think I stopped breathing there for a minute. Come on, Counter-Strike. Don't have a losing trade. It's now or never. 2 points up and it's going to stop out. Oh, so close. So close, but not yet. Come on, I want to see target filled. Target filled. I don't like how much I have. I'm lightening up if I'm given the opportunity. Taking too long. Now the stop just moved. There's still hope on Counter-Strike. It's still trying. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Push it lower, Counter-Strike. Push it lower. Come on, let the sellers come in. Yes, it does smell like a consolidation day. But there's little mini moves every now and then. Let's go, Counter-Strike. You can do this. Okay, I got an 8th lot. I don't even know how I'm doing on this trade. I wiggled in, wiggled out, wiggled in, wiggled out. Now I'll let the strategy decide where I get out. Oh, that went a little bit lower. Okay, 148. I'll take a piece. Come on, so close, so close. Target filled. Let's get the last piece out. Okay. See ya, futures trading. That was fun. Sorry I couldn't look at your things. I was busy in a trade. At least the first payout for the month. Yeah, it's very good. Congratulations. Same but up job. Up and smells the consolidation. If this can't bounce, it could go lower by the end of the day. Yeah, I'm thinking though we're gonna. I don't know. I don't want to form an opinion. Now we're bouncing off VWAP. Did that trade do anything for me after all that? Yeah, it did. I was down 300. Now I'm down 79. Bring it. There we go. So, okay. Took something out of that. A little aggressive trading, but...
Coming back for more. Every night flow, cracking all combos.
Nice move down. You know what? I think in hindsight, that was a very obvious move lower once we broke initial balance on a day before not PMI, NFP. I think breakout trades are not the trade you want to be looking to take. Whatever the level is, when you're using VWAP, you're using 260 support, initial balance, whatever it is you're using, it's not a good idea to be a breakout trader. Maybe for continuation, yeah, but I think every level that people are looking at is going to get faded. I don't think the market's going to make a commitment one way or the other where we are right now. It's going to wait for the NFP numbers. Anyways, that's what happens very often. It could be the exception, but
been holding back too long, pressure building up inside. You're not one the much you see, try to keep me down, but why? Every time you push me back, so don't ever my sweat it. Tonight I'm breaking free, liking it by the head. Feel it coming, feel it rising. Don't let poder them throw them me. Can't contain.
I'm going to take a small 8-point risk trade over here and try to get 15 points out of it. Let's see if I can get 92 on the bid. I'll get out. No, that didn't work. So let's go the opposite way now.
Now just watch and see every limit that you set. So long as the great is there, breaking through the walls. Yeah, no much atrás. Yeah. Slow it down.
Trying for 8 points. I think from 10. So 8, no, 10 from 16. I'll put a piece off if I can. The markets will be so kind. Holding 2.
3, 2, 1.
Ah, that was my 8 points while I was changing my size. It's 24 off, 24 on the offer. Now it's even below my entry. But I have a plan. My plan is going to be, if it goes down to 08, I'm going to add with my stop at 00, 400.
Watch me blow up, bang.
Oh, that's a short. But I don't like where it is, so I think it's going to be a false signal on the 1 minute. Let me make it a little bit wider. Yeah, I don't think this short's a good call. These are good calls when the close of this candle is quite low, quite near the swing low. Okay, so I got my little one piece off, which I wanted. I wanted 24. I got 30. Excellent. Can't complain. Now, how far do I let it go? Maybe one more candle. See how well I can scalp my way in and out of this one. I'm going to add at 16. Oh, that's kind of where I'm in now. Keep going. You know what? $70 on one. That's not bad. I'll take that. It's so funny. So this is a $300,000 account. You want to see where I'm at? Let me change. There we go. Sim. Minus 878. I told you that's the opening drive play. The Apex 300K account is down 28 cents. A quarter. 5 nickels. 3 dimes. 28 pennies. But I'm not making any stupid decisions like I want to turn it green. I'm trading it. If I get trades. Whew. If I get a trade, I'll take it. It's 11 o'clock. It's when I get bored. Wow. I heard Pine Tree yesterday saying he did a stream. I think he said he did for 8 hours. I've been on an hour and a half. And I'm tired. Average range at 1 minute candles, 26 points. Very good. Excellent. I'm curious to dabble for a one lot here. There we go. I'm thinking maybe I want to let this one run. And it'll keep me company while I just watch it. Maybe I'll do some coding, fix 50-50. Let's see. I need a few things to happen.
first mistake was thinking you could handle this. Burning bridges, leaving ashes, that's my signature. Bad decisions make the best fucking.
What am I long at? I'm long at
Push the limits
52.
till you panic, watch me laugh at it. Every ex I got still got the battle scars. Try to hold me down but couldn't last that far. Think you different, baby, please, I heard it all. Plenty tried before they all went and took the fall. Moving reckless cause that's all I ever learned. Playing matches till the whole damn thing gets burned.
Can we make it all the way back up to the US session highs? That would be impressive, eh? 513. That'd be 60 points from here. Counter-strike is long. Let me add one. Target failed. That means get out of that one from Counter-strike. I just took one. See, that's what I was saying. Counter-strike, when it hits, it makes its money fast. Doesn't mess around. You're in Counter-strike for 2 minutes. It's most likely not going to be a winning trade. This Counter-strike tries to catch momentum. Looks like 1.1 million contracts have traded today. That's a lot for this time. 11. Wow, look at that. I'm up 50 bucks, 60 bucks. And we're just under initial balance high. So let's get a little bit higher, closer to initial balance high. And then I'll get out. And I think I'm going to take off. I'm going to do some coding for the rest of the day. Whoa. People are front running initial balance high. Selling into it. I had an ad. Oh. Well, not green on the account now. Now it's down $9.90. Gotta wait for the next triggered entry. I feel like I'm at a dance club. You're funny. Are you dancing? Yeah, that's what I was saying. You know what? I gotta get I'm gonna sign up for. Oh, hold on. There's a trade, and I want this one. I'm getting a better price. Fill me, you. There we go. I want this one. Even if it loses, I want this one. It's a good entry. It's a good entry location. Maybe I don't want it for this much, but. This is where it decides if it goes up or down. Well, downs. The sellers look like they might win. I got my finger on the close button. I got 4 more points out of this. It's now or never. Oh. Let me add a little bit. I got a bullish bar. It's on a very aggressive Renko. It's okay, this is a 300K account, so I can put a little extra risk. Let me get rid of my extra risk. Fix my price. Slope is bearish, I have to admit. But it looks like it wants to try and break through that slope. Nope. Ooh, $300, that's a lot. Okay, I lost on that one. Oh well. I don't dance. Yeah, no, me neither. Too old. Okay, guys, that's going to be it for me. I am going to go do some coding, have an early lunch. It's a very back and forth kind of day today. I don't know if I'm in the mood. I might open up the computers and start streaming at 2 o'clock if it looks like there's good volatility, which I'm betting there will be because we're still at 23 points average range on the 1 minute candle. So wait. Let me make one more stand with a big position. Or a bigger-ish position. It's a 300K account. I have a bigger budget on this account. This one could be trading up to 16 lots on the initial position. I'm going to trade it aggressively. I'm going to assume this move's going to continue. Let's go. You want, there you go. Let me take that piece out. Take that out, and that earned me a big $4.46. Lord. Like I said, it's a back and forth dance today. Let me bring it down. There was the move up. And we're at initial balance again. Initial balance high. Yeah, okay, I think that's enough for me anyways. I'm playing a little bit now, which isn't really good. Yeah. Let's see. Maybe I'll stream at 2 o'clock. Why not try a 2 o'clock stream today? So if I'm home, I'll try and do that. Thanks for showing up, and I'll see you guys later.
Trust it by the heat, rising to compromise and let it flow through your veins.